ABT Microsessions. A day in the life of a chef. Vocabulary. Prepare. Cut. Chop. Measure. Cook. Sauté. Fry. Grill. Dishes. Technique. Let's read.
A chef's day is filled with a variety of tasks, from preparing ingredients to plating dishes. In this text, we will follow a chef through a typical day and learn about the steps involved in creating a delicious meal. The day begins early in the kitchen. The chef first checks the ingredients and ensures that everything is fresh and ready to use. Then, they start preparing the mise en place, which involves cutting, chopping, and measuring ingredients. Once the ingredients are prepared, the chef begins cooking the dishes. This may involve sautéing, frying, grilling, or baking. After the food is cooked, the chef carefully plates the dishes, ensuring that they are visually appealing and appetizing. Finally, the chef presents the dishes to the customers and ensures that they are satisfied with their meal. A chef's job is demanding, but it is also rewarding. The satisfaction of creating a delicious meal is unmatched.
Now, let's answer. What is the first thing a chef does in the morning? What are some cooking techniques used by chefs? Why is a chef's job rewarding? Think about it. Practice your answers. Share it in the comments. See you soon. Bye.